We've got Pete in today from Modular Walls. And Pete, when I look at the images up here on your display, fantastic product, lots of applications, but what you can tell people about Modular Walls and how to use this product?
Well, Modular Walls is a manufacturer of composite panels. We supply both the residential and the commercial markets. With respect to the residential market, we supply a number of unique options from retaining walls, fences, integrated retaining end fence, pool fences, and a number of other applications. And with respect to product options, as you can see over here, we have a number of solutions that can be utilised by our clients, ranging from slim wall, vogue wall, right through to estate wall. The solutions typically link to the engineering requirements and also the aesthetic requirements of what the customer requires.
And DIY an option?
DIY is an option. They can contact Modular Walls and we can assist them with that do-it-yourself process.
Fantastic.
Or the second option is to we can engage our extensive install network and they can price directly to the client.
Nice and simple. Have a look at the images behind. If you want to create a look like that for your home, come down and check out Modular Walls here at the Build and Design Centre, 7 days.